Welcome back, everyone. My name is Joe, and over the last year, I've documented my journey of writing a first novel. In fact, a trilogy of novels called Rivendoa. I live with my husband Richard and our granddaughter Hannah on 6 acres of land nestled in the wilds of Virginia. Every Monday, I post a video sharing the joys and challenges of writing a first novel. In this week's video, my intended plans were stalled when an unforeseen snowstorm blanketed our home in 6 inches of snow. So, come along and join me on my adventures in living as a writer and an artist. Wow, look at this beautiful snow. Unbelievable. It's coming down on me. It is absolutely a winter wonderland out here. It's just amazing. I think I caught one. Woo. Hey everybody, welcome back to my author's channel here on YouTube. This week I'm just going to be sharing a sort of a shorter video and I wanted you all to take a look at the snowstorm that kind of sneaked up from the south. And those kinds of snowstorms almost always tend to be deeper and wetter than the ones that come from the north. In this case, it came quickly late at night. I don't think I even knew it was coming until the day before, so we had a little time to get ready. We ended up with between 4 and 6 inches, which stuck to everything. It was almost as bad as a ice storm because the snow was wet and stuck to all the trees. So there was a lot of trees down. There was a lot of damage, which I'm going to share in my next video. But this week, I just kind of wanted to show you the winter wonderland that our 6 acres of land here in Virginia became for about a week. I just came out here to take some photos. Of course, I'm getting completely covered, but I've heard about 3 trees snap in half, those Big old pines over there. They are snapping. I haven't seen any of them, but I have a feeling I'm going to have a lot of cleaning up to do when the snow melts. I'm going to have to be out there with my chainsaw. I'm just getting totally covered here, but it's great fun. I love snows. Here, look at the if you can see how deep that is. It's got to be 3 or 4 inches. Not too bad. But oh, there goes another tree. Wow, I thought it was going to crack. I've heard about 3 or 4 of them go so far. You can see how the snow is sticking to the tree. Whew, I am getting totally covered in snow here. So I can't stay out here very long, but I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful it is. And you know, maybe when the snow stops coming down, it's kind of blizzardy weather right now, but when the snow stops coming down, maybe I can get out there to the clearing and see what the damage is to all the pine trees out there, which I'm afraid a lot of them have been coming down. So anyway, I'm going to run back inside because I'm freezing. Woo!